Hi, my name's Robert. I handle outreach here with BackerKit, and I'm here today to talk to you about segments. Now, segments are this amazing tool that allow you to slice and dice your backers however you can think of. This can be super helpful when you're trying to upsell your backers. For example, let's say you want to reward your early bird backers. You can give them a limited pledge add-on, and so only these backers would be eligible for this. And this, since they know that they're the only ones getting it, this tends to convert super well. So on the logistical side, let's say that some portion of your backers underpaid for shipping. So what you can do here is with segments, you can figure out exactly which backers those are and either charge them the shipping that they're missing, or you can figure out how big of a problem it is. And if it ends up not being that much money, you can go ahead and say, I'm going to eat this cost and give my backers a super clean experience. Hopefully that clarifies some of the value that segments can bring to your campaign and that BackerKit can with our segments. Thanks.